The widow's sons. Some brothers have common interests, oft forming a group or a body. This ode is about a means of transport, a lifestyle, and for some a hobby. Brethren of the widow's sons, they combine their Masonic pride in our beloved fraternity, and also the bikes that they ride. Their camaraderie, charity, bikers' vests, we call them cuts, the stuff of many a brother's talk. These men follow the same path, but they are brothers who ride as well as walk. Across the planet at charity and biking events, you will hear their powerful roar. The revving engines of the widow's sons, our biker brothers on tour.